How to winterize a Rainbird Sprinkler System. Winterizing your Rainbird Sprinkler System ensures that your irrigation system does not break during freezing temperatures. Winterize your system around the middle of autumn to make certain that the job is done before any freezing occurs. The process mainly consists of getting all of the water out of the lines. Some Rainbird systems have a drain valve installed, which means you do not have to use a compressor to blow out the lines. When water is left in the system and freezes, it can split the valves and ruin the entire setup. Things you will need: eye protection, compressor possibly, screwdriver, wrench, small towels. Systems with drain valve. Switch off the main valve to the entire irrigation system. This is the valve that runs from the water meter to the sprinkler system. Open up any one of the irrigation control valves. This can be done manually or electronically. Put on protective eyeglasses and unscrew the drain cap for the manual drain valve. This is located at the lowest point of the sprinkler system at the base of the line that runs from the main shutoff valve to the rest of the system. Wait until there is no more water coming out of the drain valve and then replace the cap and close the irrigation control valve. Replicate this process for every control valve on your system. Blowing out the lines with a compressor. Turn off the shutoff valve at the main line of the sprinkler system. Turn on the sprinkler zone furthest from the main line using the electronic control box. Put on your safety glasses and connect the compressor to the blowout adapter. The blowout adapter is located near the beginning of the sprinkler line that runs to the sprinkler control valves. The compressor must be able to supply 10 to 25 cubic feet of air per minute or CFM and no more than 50 pounds of air pressure per inch 2 or psi. Turn the pressure valve on the compressor to 50 pounds per square inch and slowly increase the airflow until you see the head of sprinkler pop up in the zone that you turned on. Turn off the compressor before 2 minutes have passed. At this point, only a fine mist, if anything, should be coming out of the sprinkler head. Turn off the compressor and return to the control box. Repeat the process by turning off the open zone and turning on a different zone and then blowing out the line again. Winterizing the valves. Take apart all of the valves by removing the bonnet, solenoid and diaphragm. The bonnet is located on top of the valve. The solenoid is under the bonnet along with the diaphragm. You will need a screwdriver and possibly a wrench to take the valve apart. Wipe off all of the pieces of the valve in a small towel. Reassemble each valve, leaving the solenoid in the open position for the winter. Tips: warnings. Running the air compressor at more than 50 pounds per square inch can damage the system. You should also never run the compressor for more than 2 minutes at a time to avoid system damage.